Gold traded in range throughout the day, failed to trade below 1805 levels and now at 1808. Likewise, Dow Jones and Nasdaq too is very well traded within the range, though throughout the day traded bearish. Now, important day for markets and metals as the world awaits the Fed's interest rate hike decision, and not only the hike decision but also the future projections and at the same time the statement as well as the speech later on. So everybody will be keen on watching and every word does matter. So what to expect from the markets and commodities, which position we should take in order to profit today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Press the bell icon and stay tuned with the next update, which will be released before the Asia session tomorrow. So do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and towards the end Dow Jones. On the hourly chart, now look at the hourly charts. 1805, 1805 levels has again provided it a very strong support, and see throughout the day it traded with this skewed bearish bias on the downside. The space is quite open as there is a liquidity gap on the downside. So once you see it trading below 1805, rather the previous lows at 1804, yes, if you see it trading below 1804, you can sell for 1800, which is again going to be a very strong support, and then 1795. Remember, this is the level at 1790 and 1785. Till the time it trades above 1785, we should not consider this as bearish, and there is a possibility of a bounce back. And if it drops further below on the downside below 1780, you can expect that we may see gold trading at 1770, 60. And remember the fact I have told several times, I am repeating it again and again, the zone between 1740 and 1760 is going to remain crucial for gold. Only and only if it trades below 1740 any point of time, you can consider that as a bearish move, else it may continue to trade bullish and it can bounce back any point of time. Now see on the upside, 1812, 1815 levels again providing it a resistance. So this is a box in which it is trying to trade. Any breakout above and below certainly should be considered that as a good indication to take your positions. Yes, if you see it trading above 1815 any point of time, you can buy. Expect 1820, 1824. And then beyond that, we are looking forward to 1836, 1850 levels. Now, if you look at the directional movement, this is moderately bullish. The stochastic is trading at bottom, trying to bounce back. The MACD is bearish here, and it appears it has seen the peak, and probably a convergence from here can be expected. RSI is trying to look upwards, and if you look at the 3-hour charts or 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, likewise, after series of red candles, this is trying to reverse, and this is trying to get the support from 1805. Once it breaks past 1815, consider that for a good reversal, and then it can fly for 1820, 1824, and then beyond that, further to that, we may see 1836, 50 levels. If not today, possibly in this week or this month, it may try to attempt and achieve those levels. On the downside, remember below 1805, there are supports till 1800, very strong support. Then 1795 levels should come into picture, very, very strong support, and then 1791 levels to be seen. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic at bottom trying to rise from here. The MACD has converged and willing to cross over for a sell. It is still trading in green. RSI is trading near to the highs there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, after series of red candles, this is trying to reverse. I'll consider this as reversal only and only if it breaks past 1815 levels. Till the time should not be considered that as a reversal, and possibility exists that if it trades below 1805, we may see a good drop. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic has traded at bottom, has seen the lows and probably now looking upwards. The MACD is at the same time trying to converge. However, it is still in green here, and the RSI is trading near to the highs. Similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is slightly curving downwards. Let's see if it continues to trade with this bearish bias. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. It is still in green. RSI trading near to the highs. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, remember the fact that there is a tail available. There is a wick available on the previous candle. The body size is greater than half of the complete previous candle. And yes, the body size 1780 to 1810 levels. And from here it is trying to rise. So $15, it means 1805 to 1820 levels, 25 levels. Yes, in fact, it can rise till towards 1830. It can give you a very strong bullish move. If it continues to trade above 1820 levels, certainly we can expect a stronger bullish movement. Another observation, that couple of red candles and one bullish candle, probability, very high probability exists that it can give you second bullish candle, which may try to take it further upside. So yes, you can buy at 1815 and expect it to rise. At the same time, till 1780 levels, do not consider this as bearish. I am repeating it again. First destination is 1790-91, and then at 1780, these two levels, only and only if gold breaks, we can expect little bearishness. Else, till the time it trades above 1780 and 90, you can continues to be bullish. Hence, trade accordingly. If you are taking a sell entry at 1805, you have to trade with caution. You have to put a stop loss. You have to trail your stop loss such that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit or at least without any loss, because there is a strong tendency for it to reverse and trade in green, and hence take your positions accordingly. Above 1815, you can expect 18-20 zone, then 24-25, and then 36 levels, 50 levels to be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Now see Nasdaq 100 on the hourly charts, 11,800, one support, second support. Also the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, 11,800 is giving it a very strong support. Below that, 11,760, 710 and 700 levels are there at the next support level. See 750 giving it a very strong support on the downside, then 710, 700 levels. So yes, if it trades below 11,780, you can sell and you can expect 11,750, 11,710, then 11,660, and below that further drop. Only and only Nasdaq, if you see it trading below 11,400, consider that as a bearish for near term and it is going to crash. Else there is a possibility for it to reverse. Now see this, it is taking the support right now at 11,800 and trying to reverse from here. Yes, if you see it trading above 11,850, certainly more bullish momentum can be seen. Rather, I will recommend you to buy it 11,860, but then 11,900 is a very good resistance, and then if it trades beyond 11,900, consider that, rather I will say 11,900, 920, this is a good resistance zone, and beyond that certainly we may see 12,000 levels again, then 12,100 and 12,240 levels to be seen. Direction movement, stochastic trading from the bottom and trying to rise, MACD bearish and divergent, RSI flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, see first thing is that, see there was a reversal, the bearishness has diminished, and this candle also has achieved the bottom. Now if you see it trading above 11,860, consider this for a good reversal. So yes, if it closes somewhere here at 11,840, 850, and the next candle certainly may try to trade bullish, probably it may try to take it till towards 11,920, 11,950 levels. See, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel, and the highs of this channel are certainly at 950, 12,000 levels. So this is one observation. At the same time, one must not forget that if you see it trading below 11,780, you can sell and expect 750, 700, and then below that further drop. Directional movement moderately bullish, and the stochastic is almost trading at the bottom. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with divergence. This is trading bearish. RSI also trading at bottom. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts here. On the 3-hour charts, first of all, the candle is completely engulfed till now between the previous two candles. Yes, higher lows, lower highs, and once it breaks past 11,860, consider this for a good rise, but 11,920 zone certainly going to be a very good resistance, and beyond that we may see it hitting 970, 12,000. Also look at this, the highs of the lows of this channel are somewhere here at 11,750, 11,780 levels. So yes, only and only if it breaks below 1170, 750, consider that for a good bearish move, and we can see 11,710, 660 and 600 levels. Direction movement bullish, a stochastic rising from the bottom. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI slightly converging downwards. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, first of all, see the previous candle, almost you can say 60 points or 50 points. This candle was a stepping stone, and now again it is trying to trade with a drop. Now see 11,800, very good support, 750, similar observation, nothing different here. It is bullish, stochastic trading at bottom. The MACD is trying to converge here, crossover for a sell. Right now it is in green side, RSI trading flat with slightly negative bias. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts carefully. See the tail is done, it is ready to rise. Yes, if you see it trading above 11,920, more bullishness to be seen. Then we can expect this zone at 12,100, 120 levels, and then beyond that further rise till towards 12,240 can be expected. Now see this line is already existent from my previous drawn charts, and yes, this is the highs of the channel in which it is trying to trade right now, which indicates that the highs are right now not far away till 12,300. Breaking 12,300, stronger bullish momentum will be seen in Nasdaq 100. Directional movement bullish, stochastic comfortable. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. Right now it is in the sell side, RSI trading flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 11,750 levels and buy at 11,860 levels for this 110 points. Do not trade Nasdaq 100 on the upside. Beyond 11,860, you can expect 11,880, 920 levels is the next targets, and if it breaks past 920, you can expect 950, 970, 12,000. Beyond 12,000, the directional movement, it is going to remain strongly bullish, and then you can expect 12,100, 12,240 levels, somewhere in between it may try to attempt and achieve. In fact, it can go beyond and break past 12,300. Very strong observation is there that it can try to do so. On the downside, once you see it trading below 11,750, you can expect 11,710, 660, 600, and if you see it trading below 11,600, more bearishness will be seen, and it is going to crash till towards 11,550, 500 and 400 levels. Till the time it trades above 11,400, do not consider this as bearish at all. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow. Now see US 30. Previously in the morning I told you can sell at 34,200 and then expect 34,100. See, it has got 34,100 now trying to look downwards. If you consider this as the next channel, you can find out 34,000 is going to remain a very strong support. I told you yesterday also, only sell entry I will recommend is below 33,950. Expect 33,900 as the first support and then 33,800 as the next support. Only and only if Dow Jones trades below 33,800, consider this as bearish. At the same time, you can buy at 34,200 levels. Beyond 34,200, you can expect 34,300 as the first target, and then beyond that 34,350, 34,500, 34,600, and then beyond that further fly. It can fly further and stronger. So in between 34,000 and 34,200, do not try to trade Dow Jones. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic at bottom. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, if you see previously it has created lower, see the body size is diminished, it is signaled a reversal, but it is right now trading with a drop. Yes, if you see it trading above the zone at 34,150, you can buy, but then expect 34,200 as the maximum resistance, and then beyond that you can expect 34,300 and 34,400 as the next targets. Beyond that it is going to remain bullish. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic at bottom. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent and bearish, looking downwards. RSI is looking downwards here too. And if you look at the 3-hour charts now, look at the 3-hour charts here. On the 3-hour charts, the previous candle was just like in a step. It is trying to reverse from here. Only buying position is above 33,150. Beyond that, certainly little more bullishness to be seen. At the same time, below 34,000 levels, you can expect a little drop. See this 34,000, 33,950. Very strong support for Dow Jones. Only and only if it trades below the zone, you can expect little more bearishness. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic trying to look downwards from here. The MACD is trying to cross over for a sell, and the RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, first thing is the resistance here, second thing in the wick out there, next thing is that after this greener candle, it is trying to reverse the gains and possibility exists that 33,800, 850, which may provide a very stronger support here. Hence, you can sell at 34,000 levels, and then you can remain bearish for 33,950, 33,900, 33,800 levels, which are very, very strong support, and below that a good crash for 33,700 levels to be seen. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic trading at bottom. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is looking downwards, indicating little loss of strength there. Now look at the daily charts. Now on the daily charts, one observation which you should see, 34,000, this is the 20 period moving average and a very strong support. At the same time, if you look at this zone is going to be very, very important till 33,900. Very strong support exists, and from there, once you see it trading beyond 34,150, you can expect a rise. Then you can expect 34,300, 350, 34,400, which is a good resistance, and beyond 34,400 you can expect it to directly land at 34,600 levels, the next target, and beyond that strongly bullish momentum can be seen. Directional movement bullish, stochastic comfortable, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI is flat. Considering this, you can take a sell at 34,000 levels, but then expect 33,950, 33,900, very strong support, then 33,800, the next strongest, and then 33,700. Only and only if, remember, I have told you several times, repeating it again, till the time Dow Jones trades above 33,400, do not consider this as bearish, and there is always a potential for it to rise again, bounce back again, trade bullish again. Hence, take your positions accordingly. On the upside, beyond 34,200, possibility of it to trade bullish exists, then you can expect 34,300, 400, 350, 400, and then 34,600 levels to be seen. Beyond that, anything is a bonus. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss, so that in case of a volatile markets, your trade closes in profits or at least without loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon.